Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramani. Let's get started standing up. Drop your head back, chin to ceiling. And now drop your head forward, rolling your way down into a forward fold. Relaxing your head, your neck, your shoulders, maybe bending your knees. And we slowly start to roll up. Again, let's drop our head back. And we drop our head forward, slowly rolling down into our forward fold. Maybe you shake your legs out a little bit. And we slowly start to roll up, sweeping the arms up overhead for mountain pose, leaning back, reaching back. Squeeze your glutes here, and forward fold. Open your legs a little bit, and let's bend our right knee, keeping our left leg straight. And now switch legs, bending that left knee, straightening the right. Let's switch legs again, bending that right knee, this time extending your left arm up towards the ceiling, reaching up, opening the chest. And now we switch sides. Come back into your forward fold. And we slowly start to roll up. Sweep your arms overhead for mountain pose, taking an inhale. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Sink your hips back for chair pose. All of the weight is in your heels. Step your left foot back for warrior one. In your warrior one, your back foot is planted. It's flat on your mat and your toes are facing an angle. Reaching up, squaring the hips forward. Back to chair pose, step that back foot forward. And we stand up, hands come to heart center. Take a deep breath. Back to your chair pose. Make sure you're breathing in and out through the nose. Step that right foot back for warrior one. Remember, those hips are squared to the front. Back foot is completely flat. Come back into your chair pose. We stand up, bringing the hands to heart center, taking a deep breath. Again, let's make our way into our chair pose. Step your left foot back for warrior one. Warrior two. Spin your body open, bringing your arms into a T position as you look over your front hand. Reverse triangle, straighten your front leg, reaching up and back with that right arm. We come into extended side angle. Bring your right forearm to your right thigh, reaching up and over with that left arm. And if you want to, you can grab onto your right ankle with your hand. Back to your warrior two. Straighten your front leg. Inhale as you reach forward. Exhale, triangle pose. Reaching up with that left arm, and maybe you grab onto the right ankle. Lower your left hand as you pivot your feet for your pyramid pose. Bend your knees as needed. Step your back foot in and slowly roll up to standing. Sweeping the arms overhead, bringing the hands to heart center. Make your way into your chair pose. Step your right foot back for warrior one. Open up for warrior two, looking over that left hand. Reverse triangle, straighten that leg, reach up and back with that left arm. Extended side angle, that left forearm comes to that left thigh, reaching over with the right arm. Option to grab onto that left ankle. Come back to your warrior two. Inhale as you reach forward. Exhale, triangle pose. Lower that right hand, pivoting the toes for your pyramid pose. Step your back foot forward. Come into your chair pose. And we stand, bringing the hands to heart center. Take a deep breath. Now let's face the long side of our mat, opening our legs, toes are facing forward, arms reach out and back, and forward fold. You have the option to grab onto your ankles, pulling yourself through the legs. Let's bend our left knee, keeping that right straight. And now let's bend our right knee, keeping that left straight. Again, bend your left knee. And now we bend the right knee. Straighten your legs. Clasp your hands behind your low back, pressing your fist up towards the ceiling. Relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Feeling a stretch in your shoulders. Release your arms. Walk your feet in close together. Let's take our time rolling up. And we bring our hands to heart center. Take a big inhale in through the nose and let it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube and my weight loss programs. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.